Hi, my name is Aidan Shahiran bin Abdullah, and I will presenting my research, which is mental well-being in team sport among athletes in UiTM Shah Alam. Team sport involvement can lower depression and suicidality, reduce stress and depression risk, and eventually improve mental and social well-being. By AME 2013, sport participation is associated with indicators of well-being as well as mental health problems from KS 2002. Besides, team sport participation also contributes to psychosocial health, self-esteem development, sense of belonging, life happiness, and emotional well-being from Anderson 2018. Physical activity and mental well-being in Anderson's Bidel Cancioni, Thomas and Berger in 2019 found that those who are physically active seem less likely to suffer from mental health problems and may have enhanced cognitive functioning with greater effect, more likely in those with poorer mental health at baseline. In summary, team sport participation not only contributes to better physical health but also foster a sense of community, belonging, and achievement, all of which play a crucial role in promoting mental and emotional well-being. The combination of physical activity, social interaction, and personal development within a team sport setting make it a powerful tool for enhancing mental health and overall quality of life. For my problem statement, in today's society, there is an increase in the amount of individuals that have mental health issues such as depression, anxiety, suicidal thoughts, and tendencies. From Jordan Gorin, Fall 2018. Mental health problems, including anxiety and depression, as the prevalence of mental health issue is increasing globally from Bone and Lebeter in 2006 and Shaal at L 2011. Thus, positive correlation between participation in team sport and mental well-being in university students. Therefore, the study is to examine the mental well-being in team sport among athletes of UiTM Shah Alam. The hope is that the findings will contribute to our understanding of how team sport can positively impact mental health, potential offering a promising avenue for addressing the rising prevalence of mental health issues in the population. For my research question, what is the level of mental well-being in team sport among athletes in UiTM Shah Alam? And another one is what is relationship between sport participation and mental well-being in UiTM Shah Alam? My research objective is to identify the level of mental well-being in team sport among athletes UiTM Shah Alam, and second is to identify relationship between sport participation and mental well-being in UiTM Shah Alam. Okay, this is my conceptual framework, which is independent variable is mental well-being. My demographic data will be age, gender, education level, and my dependent variable is sport participation. For my significant, this study will contribute to psychological strength among athletes in team sport of UiTM Shah Alam. My delimitation is to conduct questionnaire at 3 team sport only, which is in UiTM, that are rugby team, UiTM FC, and handball team. My limitation is cooperate of the respondent and dishonest respondent while doing the survey. For my research design, I will be using a quantitative design, non-experimental method, and survey method with questionnaire distributed to 110 respondents to 86 respondents selected using Cringe and Morgan table. My sample be using a purposive sampling, and data collection be using data collection is to approach the athlete by online only, and the questionnaire will be distributed to the athletes. Data analysis, I will be doing descriptive analysis and correlation analysis. For the instrument, pilot study will be conducted from first. Questionnaire is from Werdick Edinburgh Mental Wellbeing Scale. Development and UK validation, Rustanen and Health Life Outcome from 2007, with the reliability 0.89, and another questionnaire will be using sport participation model evaluation scale from ICNA in 2002, which is the reliability is 0.95. From the result finding on the reliability test, the team sport participation item yield Cronbach alpha value of 0.712, and the mental well-being item resulted in a slightly higher value of 0.722, indicating a good level of internal consistency for both constructs. Additionally, when combining all 18 items to access the total mental well-being in team sport participation, Cronbach alpha value of 0.736 was achieved, reaffirming the reliability of the measurement. Moving to age of the respondent, majority of respondents fall within the 23 to 25 years old category, comprising 72.1% of the total, followed by those aged 19 to 22 years old at 17.4% only, and the smallest group consists of the respondent aged 26 to 28 years old, representing 10.5% of the total. Another demographic data is gender of the respondents. Majority of respondents identify as male, constituting 84% of the total, while the female respondents make up the remaining 36%. This data indicates a gender imbalance in the sample, with a higher representation of male compared to female. Education level, the majority of respondents hold a degree, accounting for 67.4% of the total, followed by those with diploma at 29.1%. A smaller population of respondents have a master degree, constituting 3.5%, with none have a PhD. Moving to descriptive of team sport, in table 4.5, we can see the highest mean score among the statement is "My honor is more important than winning," with a mean 4.55, and the lowest mean score among the statement is "Losing should be painful experience," with a mean score that I get from the table is 4.20. This result indicate a generally positive attitude towards team participation, emphasizing respect for opponent and value of effort, and the importance of sportsmanship and enjoyment. Additionally, the strong agreement with the idea of personal honor over winning suggests a prioritization of ethical principles within the context of sport involvement. Another descriptive is mental well-being, that shows in table 4.6 the highest mean score among the list item is I've been feeling useful, with a mean 4.48, and the lowest mean score among the list item is I've been feeling confident, with a mean 4.106 overall. These findings provide a multifaceted view of respondents' mental well-being, showcasing a balanced internal of optimism, emotional stability, social connection, and self-perception, with a modest room for enhancing self-endurance. Table 4.0 shows the relationship between sport participation and mental well-being. The correlation analysis revealed a significant relationship between participation, which is TPS, and mental well-being, MWB, among the respondents. The Pearson correlation coefficient of 0.448 indicates positive and moderately strong association between these two constructs. The p-value of 0.448 0.001 for both correlation underscores the statistical significance of the relationship. This study profiles 86 respondents, highlighting a youthful majority, gender imbalance, and deserved educational backgrounds regarding mental well-being, athlete how positive outlook, valuing sportsmanship, camaraderie, and personal honor. Positive mental well-being indicators include optimism, purpose, and clear thinking. Correlation analysis revealed a significant positive link between team sport participation and enhanced mental well-being. Emphasizing potential holistic advantage, this insight deepened our understanding in athletes' mindset and the benefits of team sport for well-being. For the conclusion, this study reveals insight into the link between sport participation and mental well-being among UiTM Shah Alam athletes. We observe a reserve group mainly aged 23 to 25 with positive attitudes towards sportsmanship, camaraderie, and optimism. Notably, a strong positive correlation emerged between team sport participation and mental well-being, suggesting potential benefits in social interaction and emotional balance. This research highlights the positive impact of team sports on athletes' well-being and paves the way to further exploration and targeted interventions, shedding light on the intricate interplay between sport and mental well-being, mental health for athletes and practitioners. That's all from me. Thank you very much.